This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Greg Pereira. Updated 2-bed/2-bath first floor corner unit with tons of natural light and low maintenance fees in boutique building situated in desirable Victoria Park across the street from Holiday Park. Unit features updates throughout, with new vinyl flooring in living areas, 2022 AC, newer water heater and new washer and dryer. Kitchen features granite countertops and new appliances. Maseter bedroom has spacious walk-in closet with washer/dryer and additional closet with built-ins. Second bedroom has separate entrance for added privacy with an ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet. Gated pet-friendly building with private tropical pool area across the street from Holiday Park. Close to Las Olas, beaches, shopping, restaurants and Fort Lauderdale's finest entertainment. Okay to lease first year and up to 2x/year. For more information, review the details below.